What's up guys, welcome back. Withered Bonnie from Five Nights at Freddy's 2, the movie. So I know the design in the movie is a little bit difficult. I think it's just because there's white on the edge. I think that's the only difference. Let's draw this. So I'm on a landscape page. It's Portrait of Bonnie. And we'll go for the black eyes first, right? So if you do just like a black circle. Now if you have a compass or a coin or something around to trace around, you could use that, no problem. Okay, it's all black in there with a red dot, and we'll just do the other one. Okay, and then roughly in the middle, we've got a red glowing sort of dot in there somewhere. So I will color black around that dot. Creepy. So it's like the top of the animatronic is ripped off, right? So we get this sort of bumpy sort of tunnel, you know, like a tunnel going into a mountain or something, like so, just like this turned sort of upside down kind of thing, like that. It's so like a U turned upside down. And then this has an edge, so we just go around again. And you can add like little textures to this because it's kind of bumpy, right? And I think in the movie there's some fur ripped off on this part, so it's like colored white or something. I tried to find some clear pictures, it's kind of hard. And then there's like circles. All around. Obviously where the front faceplate is held on or something. Okay. In there then, so we have this like T, like a T shape. It goes down. It's like silver. There's a lot of shadow in here. You could just do it black if you don't want to see these metal plate parts. It's all black up there, so I can't see anything. And then there's some more circles. Obviously like screws or something holding it on. Then we have the bottom mouth part. So there's like a tube here. And then rows of teeth, so square teeth. Like just coming out like of a curved lip area here. And then we go back here. So we're like looking into his head. So there's like an area. There's an area in here where I think there's like some light gets through, but I'm not sure. It looks fairly dark. So we'll just draw the back of his face there. There's lots of wires and stuff coming down, but we'll just get the main face in first, the main sections. So his bottom jaw kind of connects to this thing, and then he's got that big Bonnie chin, and jaw that comes around here. And then there's like the inside line. And then an edge just to his lip. And we got loads of teeth in here. Just coming around. So then there's like all those wires. So it looks like there's like ones in behind this that sort of come down and connect to the face. They connect all this. Makes his mouth move and his eyes blink and all that kind of thing. At least that's what I assume they're for. And then we have some that hang down. So there's actually some thick parts on top. And then like wiry, small, stringy ones. You can do as much of this now as you'd like. You don't have to do as much as me if you don't want. It's all just kind of dark in along there, so can't see everything. Just the bottom of his mouth there. So, what next? His arm is ripped off. Ears. So we'll do the ears. Just large, sticky up kind of ears. Round, 3 segments on each one. One of them's kind of half bent over, I think. So it's like, this is like the first little section. And you can just see kind of the back of his head here as well. Just coming down there. In between. And then another. I think this one, oh, there's 2. Sorry. So this one's bent over, right? So the other ear covers the top, so you don't like close it off. And then the connection sort of part in there, it's like a shadow or something, just in here, where it goes into his head, and then like the back of the head then, down there. So this one is folded over, so we can see a little triangle in here. So it's like coming towards us a bit. You can just see it coming around here. And then this comes up and over, down. It's like an edge line. And then a little pad inside this one as well. Pad inside here. Like a different color, you know. I think I've drawn normal bunny. So it's pretty much the same as that. And then just a bit withered. So we can see shoulder pad here. This one's kind of up a bit, and then this one's down. where's his arms? I can't see it. There's lots of shadows, so I just need to like see a different version. So all wires coming out of that, and then okay, so I think there's like a ball and socket thing here, like a little ball, and then like a broken or cracked sort of open arm section. The ball and socket joint kind of visible, so there's all animatronic stuff in there, and then the far part goes down, and then his body just comes down there. And then on this side, so his I think we can just see sort of, there's like a thing here, not sure what that is. A piece of metal, and then the body appears to just go that way. And then there's another ball and socket. So in the game, I think is different. There's just wires, and the movie, there's a little ball. Right, well, I'll go for the movie one. So we'll do a little sort of ball here. And this seems to have like lots of wires just descending from it. So I'll do like a textured thing. So we'll go down this way. And then you'll just like do lots of different layers of curvy lines, and you'll color them differently. And that'll make it look like wires. Maybe one zone out here. And then his bow tie, so big old bow tie, just here in the middle. And then 2 buttons. And then the belly. And then pretty much the last thing we do is just like scratch him up a bit. So make him look withered. Kind of dirty, you know, neglected. Alrighty, Withered Bonnie. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.